How to send money from Zelle to Bitcoin. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you have to open a third-party website named paxful.com. Head over to your preferred browser and then simply search for paxful.com. Since the website was not reaching, so I installed the application version. You can also install it using your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then simply open the app, and then what you have to do is tap on buy Bitcoin, and then go to your payment method. Then you have to sign in. Then in the payment method you have to select Zelle Pay and just enter the amount and find offers, and you will find several offers, and then you can choose from them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.